Today, let's learn how to set up Gmail forwarding. If you want to forward any emails that will be received on your email to a different email address, let me show you how it is done. Head over to the settings on the top right and then click on See All Settings. Now on the top, you'll see a bunch of settings that you can go into. You'll need to head over to forwarding. Inside this, you just need to click on Add Forwarding Address so that you can add in the email address that you want to forward the emails to. Paste in the email address, click on Next. Now, if you have a two-step verification added in, you may need to do that from your phone. If not, you can just click on Proceed. Now, an email will be sent to the other email address where you'll need to confirm the forwarding option. So open up the new email. Just need to click on this link and click on confirm. And there you go, the forwarding now has been enabled. From now on, any emails that you receive on this email address, it will be directly sent to the other one. So yeah, that's basically it on the way that you set up the forwarding option inside of Gmail. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.